Did you know that not all countries use credit scores like the US? In places like Germany and France, they focus more on bank statements and personal relationships to determine creditworthiness. Credit scores are a big deal in the US, playing a huge role in determining our financial health. They affect everything from loan approvals to interest rates. But have you ever wondered if other countries use credit scores like we do? Are they as obsessed with these three-digit numbers as Americans are? People around the world have different perceptions of credit scores. Some might view them as a necessary evil, while others might not even have a concept of credit scores like we do. In many countries, the way creditworthiness is assessed is vastly different. For instance, in some cultures, personal relationships with bankers or community reputation can play a significant role in determining one's creditworthiness. This can lead to confusion for individuals who move between countries or deal with international lenders. The lack of standardization can create challenges for people trying to understand how credit works in different countries. Even within regions, there can be significant variations in how credit scores are used or not used at all. This patchwork of systems can make it difficult for individuals to navigate, especially in our increasingly globalized world. In Canada, for example, credit scores are used similarly to the US, but the systems aren't identical. Canada has two main credit reporting agencies, and while the scoring models are similar, there can be differences in what information is included on your credit report. The UK, on the other hand, uses a different approach, with lenders often relying on in-house credit scoring systems that might not be as transparent. Countries like Germany focus more on the character of the borrower, using something called the 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 score, which takes into account not just financial history, but also public records and even social media information. Australia uses a credit scoring system that's similar to the US, but with some key differences in how information is collected and reported. One surprising finding is how some countries don't use credit scores at all. In some African nations, for instance, community-based lending and savings groups are common, providing an alternative to traditional credit scoring. These systems focus on trust within the community rather than an individual's financial history. Understanding these global credit systems can have a significant impact on individuals, especially those who travel or do business internationally. Being aware of these differences can help you navigate financial situations more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. In summary, credit scores are not universally used like in the US. Different countries have their own ways of assessing creditworthiness. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed financial decisions, especially in a globalized economy.